Welcome to Good Wheels, a family-owned and operated dealership serving the South Jersey area since 1988. We have what you are looking for.
Check out this pre-owned 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.3-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 137,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Call us today at 881-3557 to set up a time to look at this vehicle.